Good morning. My name is Mabry Markham, and I am a clinical research major in my junior year.
And I'm Ariel Patterson, and I am a pharmaceutical science major in my junior year as well. And today we're going to be talking about all of the reasons we came to Campbell and why we thought it would be the right choice for us when choosing our college. So when I was in my senior year of high school, I really did not know what college I wanted to go to. I didn't know what major I wanted. And when someone came to our school and started advertising for Campbell, they said we have both pharmaceutical science and clinical research. So you can come, you can do one. If you don't like it, you can pick the other. It's great. And I was like, okay, I don't know what I want to do, but this sounds pretty nice. I love science, so I'll go give pharmaceutical science a try.
I was born and raised in Garner, North Carolina, and when I began looking at my options for college, I knew that I wanted to attend a small university and also continue to live at home. My house is about 20 minutes from campus, which made being a commuter super easy and convenient, while still giving me the chance to pursue my desired major at a small university with great values. Another thing that I loved about Campbell when I first visited was that the campus is small and accessible. There are several commuter lots in close proximity to the buildings that I have class in every single day, and the walk from class to class is always short, which eliminated my concerns about rushing or being late to my next class.
So when it comes to getting around campus, I live on campus and I have for the past 2 years. So I brought my car, but it's really inconvenient to drive around because I can only park in the places that are for me because I live here. So getting around campus is pretty simple. Everything is about 10 minutes from my dorm, give or take. So everything's pretty simple to walk around, and it's really convenient because there's food and everything. And also when it comes to community and friends, it's really easy to make friends on campus because it is a small campus. And there's also a lot of things, community things for us to do. Like I go to Ransom every Monday, almost every Monday, and it's really nice. They play music, make a lot of friends there, and sometimes other clubs have bonfires that I go to with my friends in their clubs. So it's really nice to make friends in the community.
The tight-knit community of the College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences was very appealing to me. Over the last 3 years, I have had classes with some of the same people every single semester. And of course, I see other health sciences students on a daily basis and have had the opportunity to form relationships with them. But I also still get to see some of the students that I had classes with freshman year. The College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences offers so many different opportunities and options, which was great for me because I knew that I wanted to be in the health sciences, but I didn't know exactly where. So it was great to be able to evaluate the different pathways and decide what would be best for me going forward in my future.
When it comes to the classes here at Campbell, Campbell is a liberal arts school, so you get to do other things besides science and outside of your major. Like I did a drawing class one semester and that was pretty nice. And I think it made me a little bit more well-rounded, so I can get more than just straight science all the time and get a little bit something outside of my major as well. And Campbell also has labs that go along with the lectures. So pretty much every science class will have a lab that goes along with it, which really gives you that lab experience you need when you go and graduate from Campbell, and also gives you a little bit of that lab experience so to help you learn the lecture as well, which is really valuable when you graduate for workplace experience.
In high school, lab days were some of my favorites in my chemistry and biology courses, which really piqued my interest in lab work. And I knew prior to coming to Campbell that there were so many great lab courses that were offered, and they would really be able to provide me with skills and techniques that I could continue to use going forward and take into my future career. Not only are the labs and the courses great, but the professors that teach them are as well. Each professor that I've had throughout my time at Campbell has always been genuinely invested in our learning and has always been accessible and willing to help when I needed them. I've always felt seen throughout my time at Campbell, inside and outside of the classroom, by professors that do and don't know me personally.
And Campbell also has a study abroad program, which I think every honor student has to study abroad, but I like having the opportunity given to me that if I really wanted to, I could go to another country overseas or maybe just across the border maybe and see how they work and how they study and learn about their culture and how it's different from mine. And Campbell also has internships that go along with your major. So think everybody has to internship before they graduate, which I think is really good. So we graduate with workplace experience, and it's also better for us so we can graduate and get a job, so we have that experience already before we graduate. A lot of people might not have before they graduate.
The pharmaceutical science and clinical research internships provide us with so many different ways to learn and grow. I know that internships often end up providing us with a job opportunity within the company, but they also give us the chance to evaluate the things that we do and do not like about the position or the company throughout the duration of our internship. Another great pathway that the College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences offers is the 3+2 Clinical Research Master's Program. Although this was not the pathway that I ended up choosing for myself, it was definitely something that I considered and was a factor that really drew me to the College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences when I was making my decisions and applying to Campbell.
Also, when it comes to the master's program, it's really a lot easier for me if I want to get it here, because they still have my program to go up towards the master's, so I can do like research and things like that and stay here on campus where I'm pretty much know who would be pretty much teaching me and stuff. And also Campbell, outside of Campbell, pretty much most people in the pharmaceutical industry will have an idea what Campbell is inside North Carolina. So when you go to work and you say you're from Campbell and you've got a pharmaceutical science degree or clinical research, they're like, oh, we know where that is. Will you tell us about it? Tell us how you liked it. We know the teachers there. So it's pretty nice to have some connections outside of Campbell.
Another great thing about Campbell's College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences is that it is only a 45-minute drive to the Research Triangle Park. The Research Triangle Park is one of the oldest and largest science parks in the nation, and it hosts over 300 amazing companies. And it's basically in Campbell's backyard, which is super convenient for us. Overall, Campbell has so many great things to offer, from community to curriculum and everything in between. And I think it's safe to say that both Ariel and I are very happy that we chose Campbell's College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences, and we really look forward to what the future holds for us.